नमस्कार दोस्तों। वेलकम टू माय आईटी लाइफ असल यूट्यूब चैनल। आज एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक लाया हूँ। थिंग्स यू शुड फोकस ऑन ड्यूरिंग फर्स्ट 30 डेज ऑफ योर न्यू प्रोजेक्ट। दोस्तों, जब भी हम एक न्यू टीम न्यू प्रोजेक्ट ज्वाइन करते हैं, वी आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू start contributing in the project and be productive after the end of the training period. Okay, so normally the training period is of 30 days. Okay, so and also the thing is, most of the times we are a replacement for the outgoing resource, right? So whatever his responsibilities are, we have to carry forward those once he is gone. Okay, and the higher the level of that resource, right, the more responsibilities will come your way. Okay, so how to approach this transition phase so that once he is out, right, you have minimum dependency on others, okay, or no dependency on others. Okay, so I will give you one way. What I have observed is most of the times, uh, once your training period starts, right? So you will be provided with n number of KT videos about the project, technologies, uh, and lot many things are there. Okay, uh, people struggle to do so many things at one time. Okay, that's what the ask is, to grasp as many knowledge as you can within your training period. Okay, but uh, क्या है कि खिचड़ी हो जाती है, कुछ दिमाग में नहीं रहता, confusion हो जाता है, and then like people struggle to understand what are their responsibilities, and then yeah, then that learning curve, right, that like increases. Okay, so how to avoid this situation? So first step is, you have to divide the task within like four parts. Okay, so first part I will say, so first of all, you have to get to know about the technologies which are being used in the project. Okay, so yeah, most of the times happen is the technology that we are trained in and we know about in the project, that is not being used at all. Okay, some other language is being used, or other technologies are being used. Okay, so we have to learn from basics about the language and other things. Okay, so allocate the first week of your training period completely to understanding these technologies. Okay, so how it will help you is, uh, once you get to know these technologies, then you will, if you go through the KT videos, the training resources, you will understand the concept and the workflow more clearly, how the code is written, how the software works, and all that. Okay, you will start understanding it. uh, Whereas if you start first only with the KT sessions and understanding the project, you won't be able to understand it completely. Okay, you have to watch multiple times. You will have so many number of doubts. So better to know the technologies once, do some hands-on also, create some minor projects. Like suppose if your project has Kafka, okay, and you don't know about the working of Kafka, then in that first week, right, try to know what is Kafka, how it works, what it is intended to do, and uh, do some small POC on that. Okay, create one producer, one Kafka server, consumer, and get to know the basic idea of how it works. Okay, so you can apply it for anything. Okay, so dedicate your first week to just understanding the core concepts of these technologies. Okay, coming to the second week, you should start with the KT sessions, okay, which give you a brief idea about the project itself. Okay, uh, what is the project about, what is the software, okay, which is being developed, what is it intended to achieve, what is the workflow, what are the different components present, or services present in this project, what are the uses or mm, responsibilities of each service. So have some brief idea on all this part. Okay, this will allow you to understand um, from your area of responsibilities, right? Which component or service you should focus more, which part of the software you should focus more. Okay, so you will like your focus will automatically go towards those things only. So have a brief idea about the project and the workflow. Okay, uh, so this is the second week. Coming to third week, uh, now by the third week, right? You should know your areas of responsibility and the main component you should focus on. Okay, uh, start seeing the past work which has done on those services, no? Services or whatever areas. Suppose if you are a developer, right, and the responsibility of those services is coming your way. So start checking the PRs, what PRs or stories have been done recently for that particular service. Okay, this will give you an idea, okay, which stage the development phase is in. Okay, what type of things you can expect once you are on your own. Yeah, and do the shadow start shadowing the resource also, okay, whom you are replacing. So be with him all the time, check what he is doing every day. Okay, what list what are his responsibilities. Start asking questions. Okay, you should not shy away from asking any questions, because once he is gone, right, then like you are on your own completely. Okay. Hmm. So this is mainly third week. Okay, you should uh, know at least what work you are expected to do. Okay, and coming to the fourth week, right? You should be in position to give reverse KT about the topics which will be mainly coming your way. Okay, so see in the project, right, there will be like multiple developers. Okay, not each developer will be knowing all things about all the aspects of the project. Okay, some he must be knowing about some services in depth. Okay, and some other services will be known by other developer. Okay, so it's like it happens. Okay, so no one knows the entire project well. Okay, so you should know just you should focus on just your area of responsibilities, um, what you are mainly responsible for handling. Okay, so reserve your energy, don't try to be jack of all. Okay, just focus on what you need to do. Yeah, and that will be, I think, enough for your as far as your training period goes. Okay, and also in fourth week, whatever stories come, right, in within those areas of responsibility, try to like implement or analyze those stories and come up with the solutions and the implementation on your own. Okay, so that uh, you will get stuck in something. Okay, like you will get to know what are the gaps which you were not aware of. Okay, uh, so yeah, so before the last date of the training, you should get most of the doubts clear. Okay, um, and yeah, so like after the training period, right, you should be able to work independently. Okay, without having much dependency on others. Of course, initially you will come up with unknown things, right, but um, yeah, with after first and second month, right, on your own, you will be more confident. Okay, so only this first month you should be very careful in approaching the learning curve, I will say. Okay, and yeah, um, think hope you have a good idea what you can do in these situations. Okay, so everyone goes through these situations. Okay, and I have seen people struggling a lot during these times. Okay, so myself also I have struggled. I hope this video content will help you in dealing with such situations. If you have any more suggestions or comments, please feel free to use the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you.